Today we're going to show a quick demonstration of how to mount a turkey using the Ultimate Turkey Plaque from Mountain Mikes. Now in this example, we're using a bird that I shot a couple seasons ago. We called him Captain Hook. He had really long spurs, so we wanted to showcase that. The story of Captain Hook is really cool and unique because a lot of times people say, well, a turkey is just a turkey. Well, in this case, this was a bird we were after specifically because we could identify him from his long spurs. That's why we called him Captain Hook. After multiple encounters with Captain Hook and a long season chasing him, we finally closed the deal. Now using the Ultimate Turkey Plaque with this formation, with the 2 legs, the 2 feet, the spurs, the beard, and the fan, I felt like was the best representation because there are unlimited options with the Ultimate Turkey Plaque, adding wings, multiple beards, so this was the one that I felt showcased the bird the best. Now there are unlimited options for customizing your mount using the Ultimate Turkey Plaque, but along with that, Mountain Mikes makes a couple different options, the Beard Collector and the Beard Master. So if you have 3 to 5 beards and you really want to showcase multiple seasons in one mount, those would be great options too. And what I really like about the Ultimate Turkey Plaque is not only the wood that it comes with, a real rustic look, real high quality, it also comes with the molded turkey skull, which takes away all the work on your end if you wanted to create that European feel. And it's a very unique look along with the shotgun shell that you can use to mount the beard on the Ultimate Turkey Plaque, and the feet that come out to the side really showcase the spurs on Captain Hook in this case. So the great thing about this system is on the back of the packaging it comes with directions and it walks you through the preparation before you can mount the bird. So removing the fan, the legs, the spurs, the beard, and removing all these key features and key pieces and then prepping them for display. Now after you harvest your turkey and you're looking for a great way to display it, Mountain Mikes gives you the best options. This Ultimate Turkey Plaque really highlights a lot of the features of the bird and puts it in a way that you can respect the animal and really showcase it and display that for years to come.